What's going on, everybody? It's your boy AJ back with another video. Yes, it's been a while. And guess where I'm at? In my brand new tackle shop. Yes, sir. We are located right here in Kennedale, Texas. And it's been an adventure, to say the least. But yeah, as you can see, this is my brand new tackle shop, AJ's Tackle Box. Check it out. So yeah, there you have it, guys. My brand new tackle shop right here, located in Kennedale, Texas. We're open Monday through Saturday from 9 to 6. Anyways, that's not the purpose of this video though. It's been a while. I finally got to hit the water on my kayak. Owning a tackle shop has its perks. Yes, I did hook up with some local anglers who have some juicy spots, and we hit one today on this video. Without further ado, here's a video. I hope you like it. Check it out. Boom. Been a long time, guys, but I'm back with another video. Let's go. Look at this. Look at this muck. The things we do to go fishing, guys. Kind of knew I was gonna get into something like this, so I wore my rubber boots. Meeting a friend out here to this secluded pond. I hear there's pretty good bass in here. Probably gonna catch more numbers than anything. Let's try to get in this yak without making a fool of ourselves here, boys. Whew. Some of that gunk off. Glass. There's hardly no wind down here.
Yeah, I know. Thank God. This morning I woke. I know. Thank God. We've been doing pretty good on the white, and I've been doing pretty good on the black and blue.
You already hit some?
Yeah, we've already hit
How many?
about 7.
Nice. Big? First cast, y'all. Try that structure. Got one. The grande bass. We're on, guys. Ooh, he up under the grande bass. Those grande bass lures. Nice. First one of the day, yo. Oh yeah, that's like a little 2-pounder. Nice guy right there. Oh, like second, third cast, guys. So they're definitely out here. Look at that. That's a nice one. Today I'm using the grande bass rattlesnake. You can find these at the shop, guys. I opened up a tackle shop, for those of you who don't know. I opened up a bait shop in in Kennedale, Texas, called AJ's Tackle Box. That's right, AJ's Tackle Box, bro. Not doing any online sales yet, but I will be once I get a good. I think I'm already getting hit. Huh? Nah, I just kept kind of going down, like, it was easy. Dang. This is a little dark little sunfish. Look at that beautiful little fish, guys. That's a bluegill. Looks like. Comment if you know what that is, guys. Second fish of the day. Look at him. Pretty clear water, guys. I can see the bottom. Texas' best kept secret. The grande bass. Rattlesnake. Trophy hunter. Best color. In my opinion. Just my opinion. What's up, dude?
What's going on, man?
Nothing much. There you go.
That's that little spinnerbait. Oh.
He got off. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, I thought I had one. Psych. Let's go. Come on, Chris. What color? Black and blue?
Oh, look at that guy. Boom. That's
Perfect hook set too. Right in the
off the bottom out here.
right in the schnoz. Oh dang, they took half of my. I knew I was getting hit. Look at that, y'all. I knew I had got hit right there. Y'all see that? I got hit and he freaking didn't eat it. There's a freaking big giant turtle right here. You see him? Look at him right here. See him right there in the water. Just touched the shell. Got one, guys. There it is, y'all, on the TRD bug. They're little. They're small, but they're fun. You go, little guy. That's an eater. The thing about these Elastec baits is that they're so durable. You can catch probably like 100 fish on them. Like, no lie. Like, I'm not even kidding. They're so freaking durable. Now I just need to catch a freaking giant. Here's another one. Freaking crappie.
Really?
Yeah. Nice one too. You want it?
Would be good eating though.
It would.
If I had my skillet, we'd be eating that sucker right now. I didn't think that.
That's a nice one too.
Maybe, I bet you that's why they like white so much.
Oh, because the little crappie? Oh, that's a slab, bro.
You might end up hitting a big old school. That's
Look at
why
that.
they like white so much. Nice. Pretty good fishing.
It's a big old crappie.
What'd you get it on?
Those little TRD bugs? Well, guys, this wasn't supposed to be a multi-species video, but for real? The one I just caught was big. Let me see it.
Oh, he fucking swallowed it.
Oh no, that sucker's a little, yeah, he's bigger. Oh, he's gonna freaking die, dude.
That's alright. Well,
Dude, that's a freaking slab. Look at that, y'all. That's Texas Viper right there, y'all. Say what's up? Hey.
That's I don't know. That's
your
that's a
PB?
2 plus. I don't know. My PB was like a 1 3/4 2. I hit a 2 before.
Another giant crappie, y'all. Look at that. Golly, look at the back on that sucker. God. Bro, that's a fat tank. Wow. Dude. Bro, that is a giant. Yeah, you gotta put him back. Them suckers they gotta make more of them.
dude, this pond's probably full of them that are this size.
They're
Get a
freaking.
scale and see if I can get them. That's good.
Got one. Need a giant, man.